this is our second part. This right here is called a ribbon cable.
Mm-hmm.
You connect it here because that is for the hard disk. And this right here is the floppy drive. That's the floppy drive. And here's another ribbon cable.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, if you didn't know what kind of Macintosh this was, it's a Macintosh Classic. This is like one of the first ever computers. And before I broke the picture tube,
Mm-hmm.
it didn't work because it has to have a server to turn on. Like, not like a Minecraft server or anything. Like a server of like Wi-Fi or something. And it looks really cool. And wait, let's do a part 3 on this.